Hey everyone, the GameMT E5 Ultra is another example of how the mini PC market has matured into a real alternative for gamers and power users who want compact, affordable systems. Redragon, a company most people recognize for budget-friendly mechanical keyboards and gaming accessories, has stepped into this competitive arena with its own offering, the MPC745. This system is designed to balance price and performance while giving users a taste of modern AMD APU power in a small footprint. At the heart of the MPC745 is AMD's Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, paired with the Radeon 780M integrated GPU. This combination has proven itself capable of handling everyday productivity workloads with ease, and more importantly, offering respectable gaming performance without requiring a dedicated graphics card. For lightweight gaming at 1080p or even higher with some tweaking, the 780M GPU continues to be a strong performer, especially for a machine that costs under $500. With 16 gigs of RAM on board, the configuration is fixed but reasonably equipped for most users who would buy into this class of device. One of the standout aspects of the MPC745 is its aggressive pricing. At $499, it undercuts or at least goes toe-to-toe with strong rivals like the Minisforum UM880 Plus and the Geekom A8. The cost savings are clear, though they do come with compromises. Notably, the system includes two USB 2.0 ports, which feels like an odd throwback in 2025. While it may seem outdated, there is a curious upside for gamers who use specialized high-performance keyboards, since some models actually perform more reliably on USB 2.0 than on faster ports. That said, the majority of users will likely see this as a missed opportunity to provide more USB 3.x connectivity across the board. The inclusion of a USB 4 port, however, makes the system much more flexible than it first appears. This connection allows users to hook up an external GPU dock, which can transform the MPC745 into a far more capable gaming machine or even a workstation, depending on the graphics card added. This means that while the system is sold with only integrated graphics, the potential for future expansion is baked into the design. As with many new entrants to the mini PC space, availability is somewhat limited. Redragon is initially restricting sales of the MPC745 to the US and Canada, and distribution seems to be limited to its own online store. That could be a deterrent for those who value the easy returns and customer support of larger retailers like Amazon. Given that Redragon already has an established Amazon presence for its peripherals and pre-built gaming systems, it would not be surprising if the MPC745 makes its way there later, which would significantly broaden its appeal. Overall, the GameMT E5 Ultra, or more precisely the Redragon MPC745, marks a confident first step for Redragon into the mini PC market. It is competitively priced, capable for both productivity and casual gaming, and thoughtfully designed with room to grow via external GPU solutions. Its compromises, like outdated USB 2.0 ports in limited sales channels, may frustrate some potential buyers. But for $499, it delivers a compelling balance of value and performance in a rapidly growing market segment. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.